Julius, first things first. No such thing as a good deal on the wrong vehicle. The Wagoneer, right color?
Yes.
Right equipment?
Yes.
Right vehicle?
Everything I was looking for.
Okay, please don't forget, you get a 3-year, 36,000-mile comprehensive warranty. Something breaks on that vehicle anytime soon, somebody else pays for the repair. On the powertrain, it's $560. You've got roadside assistance for $336?
Roadside assistance, is it 336? Yes.
Roadside assistance for $336, by the way. If you had to buy roadside assistance, that would save you about $180. You're going to get wheel locks. You're going to get tinted windows. You've got the low jack, which is going to provide you, in most cases, insurance discounts. All those things come with the vehicle, plus, what did I tell you you could do if you didn't like this vehicle during the first 3 days of ownership?
Come back and exchange it.
You could exchange it. You can't get stuck with the wrong vehicle, Julius. We make sure of that. It's one of the great things about doing business with Jerry Owen. All right. There was your MSRP. We've discounted it $8,349, okay? Your vehicle, we dig it. We dig it enough to buy it for $35,000. You throw in the tax credit, that becomes your total remuneration for your trade. Now, over here, I'm going to give you 3 terms. Short term, save money, pay off sooner, trade quicker. Long term, more comfortable, more flexible. Short or middle term, best of both worlds. Now, 5, 10, or 15, which one of those initial investments works best for you?
I was looking to do 5,000 down.
Okay, that gives us 3 choices. Long term, most comfortable, most flexible, $1,089 to $1,099.
Right.
You can gain all the benefits that you can up here, much higher payment, but you pay fewer finance charges.
Right.
You trade it quicker, you pay it off sooner. You can gain all those same benefits down here. You just do it in your own time frame. There is no prepayment penalty. Right there's the best of both worlds. Which one works best for you? And I want you to ask for a bigger discount.
Well, Steve, I was actually hoping I could get at least $10,000 off on the vehicle.
Okay.
Put me at a $75 sale price for it.
I don't blame you, Julius. I'd ask for a bigger discount too, because every time you bought a car and ask a salesman for a bigger discount, what do most of them do?
They
Get you a bigger discount, don't they?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not going to do that, Julius. All right? And I'm not going to do it for good reason. Look, we get over this price thing. Nothing else stops you from taking delivery, right? Let me show you something pretty cool. This is data that comes from not Chrysler. It doesn't come from Jeep. It doesn't come from any dealer association. This comes from consumers, all right? Are you familiar with Edmunds.com?
Yes.
Okay, it's probably the oldest consumer site on the internet for information for consumers. And here's what their data says. 82% of people are paying over MSRP right now. Over MSRP. Well, you're not over MSRP, are you? You're under, but it gets better. They're paying over MSRP by an average of 8 or 9.9%, say 10%. What's 10% of $85,000?
$8,500.
So if we were to price this vehicle at market, I told you early on that, we make the market here at Jerry Owen because of who we are. That may have gone in one ear and out the other. You may not have even understood what it meant, but here's what it means. Other dealers hate us, and they hate us for good reason, because the average price of this vehicle nationwide would be $16,000 higher than what you're paying. So you're not just getting an $8,000 discount, Julius. You're getting an additional $8,500 discount off the market-based price, and that's not me saying it. That's Edmunds.com saying it. So I need your okay down here, and I need you to put a check mark by one of those payments right there.
All right, Steve, so I'll do the 60 months, $5,000.
Okay. You see how to use this?
Yeah. So basically, like, I wanted to get $10,000 in total savings.
You got 16. I showed you how you got 16.
So I got even more than what I was expecting to.
Right. Now, is this bullshit?
No.
No, it's not bullshit. Listen, the rest of the world is paying $8,500 over for this particular vehicle. When I say the rest of the world, they're not doing it in Michigan. but they're doing it in North Carolina. They're definitely doing it in California. Okay? And I'm going to guess that some other dealers around here are probably charging more than we charge, correct? So yeah, you do make the market. You can say that during your conversations with the customers about pricing. But when it gets down to push comes to shove, when they're giving you objections that stop the customer from taking delivery, you need to pull this out. And you need to say, hey, here are the facts. And if they're looking at a Wrangler or a Wrangler Unlimited or a Gladiator, I mean, it's 29 to 22% over MSRP. Are you discounting Wranglers?
No.